Take a step away from boring frozen fish and enjoy these fresh and crispy beer-battered fish bites. You won't regret making this dish for dinner tonight. We promise you. Start off by preheating some oil until bubbling. Meanwhile, pour the beer into a large bowl and add the all-purpose flour, salt, ground black pepper, and garlic powder. Whisk to combine, then set it aside. Now season the halibut pieces with salt and ground black pepper, mixing until well seasoned. Then coat it with a beer batter and fry into the preheated oil, flipping occasionally until golden. Drain onto paper towels once cooked and serve with French fries. Don't forget to garnish it with parsley and drizzle over some mayonnaise. This dish wouldn't be complete without a drink, so go ahead and pour yourself a glass of beer and enjoy! Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.